Hi, my name is Madeline and I'm here to help you change the batteries in your Glassbreak sensor. Please note that there are older models of this device, so if you need information on your specific model, click the link in the description below. Also, keep in mind, the Glassbreak sensor requires two CR1238 batteries. Make sure you have the correct batteries on hand. First things first, disarm your Vivint system. Next, turn the device counterclockwise to remove it from the wall. Lift the plastic pull tab to remove the batteries from the compartment. Wait 30 seconds, then insert new batteries into the compartment. You'll notice the LED lights flash once they're properly inserted. Align the 4 locking tabs and securely reattach the sensor. Once installed, it's important to test the Glassbreak sensor to ensure it's working properly. Test your sensor by holding down the test button on the right side until you see the red and green lights. Your panel will also display a brief status message about your sensor. If you're still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to visit support.vivint.com for additional support or to chat with one of our experts. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us on social media to stay up to date on all the latest features and products from Vivint. See you soon!